Bollywood stars who went bankrupt once. Shah Rukh Khan. The King Khan of Bollywood also faced a great financial loss in the year 2011 for his movie Ravan. The actor made this movie by spending a lot of money on it. A huge amount of the actor was on stake with the movie. Unfortunately, the movie failed badly at the box office and SRK lost a huge amount to the market and faced a great loss. Amitabh Bachchan. The veteran Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan faced a very hard time in his professional life during the year 2000. The actor was in a very bad state and he got bankrupted for a whopping amount of 90 crores. The actor in one of his interviews stated that it was Kaun Banega Crorepati that saved him from losing his shelter too. Preity Zinta. One of the bubbliest actresses of Bollywood, Preity Zinta, also had to go through a huge financial loss in 2013. That year, the actress's production house maiden movie Ishq in Paris got released and she spent huge money on it. But it bombed at the box office and she went bankrupt. It was Salman Khan who came to the aid of the actress. Jackie Shroff. This veteran actor had struggled a lot to reach where he is now, and between his struggle, he once went bankrupt. As per reports, the actor was in debt of a huge amount of money to filmmaker Sajid Nadiawala, who decided to sue Jaggu Dada. Salman Khan saved him from the legal actions and later the actor sold his flat and paid the entire money to Sajid Nadiawala. Govinda. This popular Bollywood actor also went bankrupt during 2005 as he was not getting any movie offers from the Bollywood. Later, after grooming himself more, the actor got the movie Partner in his hands in 2006. As the movie was a huge success at the box office, popular actor Govinda was able to resolve all the financial burdens he had. Abhay Deol. Talented Bollywood actor Abhay Deol faced a huge financial loss in his professional life during the year 2014. He produced a film back in 2014 named 1/2, but the movie bombed at the box office, which is why he lost huge money. The actor was bankrupt back then and he had to sell the home where he stayed to pay all the debts he had in the market. A.K. Hangal. The famous dialogue in the movie Sholay, "Itna sannata kyun hai bhai," was said by this actor. Unfortunately, he went bankrupt once and was not able to pay for his medical treatment. Later, when media covered his story, many fellow actors from the industry came forward to help this veteran actor. Raj Kapoor. Veteran and legend of Bollywood industry Raj Kapoor once faced a huge financial problem that he went almost bankrupt. The actor spent huge amount of money on Mera Naam Joker, but the movie failed miserably at the box office and he lost money. The actor went almost bankrupt during that time as he had lots of expectations with the movie.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.